Ophthalmologist, who treat every kind of eye diseases. Pediatrician, who treat children diseases. Podiatrist, who treat ankles and feet diseases. Psychiatrist, who treat mental health issues. Pulmonologist, who treat lung diseases. Urologist, who treat problems in the urinary tract. Cardiologist, who treat heart diseases. Dermatologist, who treats skin, hair and nails. Oncologist, who treats cancer. Endocrinologist, who treats diabetes, thyroid problems, infertility, calcium and bone disorders. Gastroenterologist, who treats abdominal pain, ulcers, diarrhea and jaundice. Hematologist, who treats anemia, hemophilia, and leukemia. Nephrologist, who treat kidney diseases. Neurologist, who treats strokes, brain and spinal tumors, epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Gynecologist, who treat the female reproductive organs. Obstetrician, who treat on women's health, including pregnancy and childbirth. Allergist, who treats asthma, food allergies, insect sting allergies. Dentist, who treats teeth, tongue and gums. ENT specialist, who treats ear, nose and throat. Veterinarian, who treat animal diseases.